So here we have the BMW 116D on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge, and over on the right-hand side, the rev counter. Beneath that, you can see the main trip computer, which includes the total miles for the car. They are 72,250. The information displayed above that can be changed using a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. And then if we back out to the steering wheel, we have a speed limiter, cruise control over on the left-hand side just here, and over on the right-hand side, both stereo and phone controls. The main phone controls are over in the center just here on this screen. So you have your telephone menu, as you can see just here, and this is where you pair your phone under Bluetooth devices. All the movement I'm making is being done using the iDrive system, which is essentially this dial, but also the collection of buttons that surround it as well. So for example, you can use the dial to rotate it to radio, push the dial down. We're then in our radio menu, and as you can see and hear, we have FM, AM, and DAB radio available. If you listen to your own music, you can do that under the multimedia heading. And we have a CD player. We have external devices we can plug in. So we've got Bluetooth audio as well as USB input and auxiliary input as well. So loads of ways to listen to your music in this car. Working our way down, main volume for the stereo, and then we have the CD player, and then the air conditioning. So you can adjust the direction the air is being distributed in, the fan speed, the temperature. The air conditioning is on when that light shows, so it's on now. Same button again will turn it off, of course. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set over here. Hit auto, the car will now take control of the fan speed for you and the direction of the air to maintain the temperatures that you're after, or temperature that you're after. So you can hear it doing that in the background. Press auto again, you'll go back to whatever settings you had it on previously. Beneath that, we have a 12-volt charging socket, 2 cup holders, the 6-speed manual gearbox, and then these buttons here. So you can turn the traction control on and off. We're in comfort mode at the moment, which is the kind of everyday driving mode for this car. But if you press this button just here, you'll put the car in sport mode. It will show you there as well as here. You can come back down to comfort, and we have Eco Pro as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.